In this tutorial, we're going to go over LeetCode 771, Jewels and Stones. And this question is saying you're given string jewels representing the types of stones that are in jewels, and stones representing the stones that you have. Each character in stones is a type of stone you have. You want to know how many of the stones you have are also jewels. Sounds a little confusing, but it'll make a little more sense after. Letters are case sensitive, so quote A is considered a different type of stone from quote capital A. Now we can see here in our first example 1 of jewels, we have low a, capital A, and stones low a, capital A, BBB. So we want this to return 3, as there's 3 occurrences of low a and capital A, and they're also contained in jewels. Now in this example, our jewel here is Z, and our stones are capital Z, capital Z. So this returns 0, as there's no lowercase z's within this. Now how we can test for this is using a generator. So what we can do is we can simply just do return sum. And now we're going to iterate. So we're going to do I in jewels. So essentially we're iterating over each variable in jewels. So A and then capital A. And then we're going to do for I in stones. Now that'll actually be all. All we're essentially doing here is we're iterating over each value and we're yielding either a true or a false, depending on whether or not that value is contained within jewels. So for example here, this first value will be true, so a 1. This will be true, so a 1. This will be true, so another 1. And these will all come out false to zeros. We take the sum of that, that'll be 3. In this case, they're both 0, so we get a sum of 0. Now we could run this to test, and you can see it's accepted. Now we can submit. Now you can see this is a really, really strong answer, as it beats 100% in terms of runtime and 81.01% in terms of memory. Now that's you can do LeetCode 771, Jewels and Stones. Please like and subscribe if this helped. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below, and that'll be all, and I hope that helps.